Joshy and Faith, do you remember the cool Transformer video from Ryan's toy review? You guys had so much fun watching it, right? Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, look at what Auntie and Uncle got you. What is this? Josh, what age does it say here? What age does it say here?
9.
Oh, sorry. Mommy has it backward for you. What age?
6 years old.
6 years and over. Oh, is it a little too old for Joshy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look at the box real quick. So it's basically a deformation car. It's remote control. It can turn, it has 160 degrees. I'm sorry, it's a 360 degree rotation.
This doesn't look like Bumblebee.
It turns right, it turns left. Oh, look, that's that. Okay, we're gonna open it. You sit down. You're gonna be good and sit down now.
I want to open it.
No, I said if you sit down. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
What's this, Josh? It's me and Tiger.
Whoa. This car is pretty cool, right, Joshy? Let's take a look at it. Let me show you boys and girls real quick, buddy. And what's super cool is wait until we put the batteries in. I think it's an automatic transformer. I can't wait to see it as a robot. You ready to put some batteries in and play with it?
Yeah.
Okay. So mommy was able to put the battery, the rechargeable battery in there. That when you use that baby asked you what it was that USB charger. We were charging the rechargeable battery that goes in here. And then we had to put AA batteries into this remote control. Are you ready to transform your transformer, Joshy? First thing we gotta do, okay, Princess, you can turn it on. Don't move it yet. Let's take a look at it. Don't move. Whoa, look at this, Joshy. Look. Who's that? Look, babe. It's a car? It's a robot? Or is it both? Hey, Joshy. Okay, can we let baby try it one time? Go ahead, baby. You can press it and then it'll turn into your transformer robot. No, it's automatic. You use the control, okay? All right, Joshy, go ahead and move it a little bit. Move it up a little bit, and then we're gonna go downstairs and play with it. Oh, oh, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That is so cool. Okay, how about turn him into Transformer and then move him? Oh yeah. Oh, not too much. Okay, baby's turn. Let baby have a little bit of it. Faith, do you want it as a car or do you like it as a transformer? Which one? Show brother, can you show sister which button to press? Okay, good. Okay, now you can try moving it. Let her try moving it. Just a little bit, okay. Yeah, like that. Go ahead, press. Help her, Joshua. Pull it down and up. Yeah, like that. I don't know, try it.
This one is the dance one.
Okay, go ahead, try it.
But this one is the dance with my foot down.
It's okay, mommy control and mommy help you. Go ahead, try it. Oh, it does it on its own? Josh, that was super cool. So that button over there, boys and girls, does lose it on its own and it does its own dance. That was super duper cool. I loved it.
Guys, let's go downstairs, please.
Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna go downstairs and play more with it.
It's yucking at my...
Say bye-bye. See you later, Joshua. Joshua, wave at the boys and girls. Joshua, Faye, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Good job, princess.
Dark